Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at Microsoft. It's delivered on its fiscal second quarter earnings and we're going to be looking how to trade it. But before we do, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. On the earnings, Microsoft's revenue grew 17% on an annualized basis. Its cloud business, which includes Azure, totaled 14.6 billion, which is up 23% year on year. Azure's revenue grew 50%, which is above the 42% forecasted. We also note that gaming devices showed an increase of 14%, albeit with narrower operating margins at 34.5%. which is still ahead of the forecast of 26%. Let's take a look at the Ichimoku, and I want to draw your attention to the fact that Microsoft seems to have been stuck in a consolidation since the middle of last year. Right now, the orange lagging line is starting to move northwards. That's a sign of a positive momentum. I also want to draw your attention to the fact that price is above its black baseline, and that black baseline is starting to move up. Lastly, you can see that the forward cloud has twisted green and it's moving in that northeasterly direction, which is indicative of an upwards trend. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. Microsoft returns solid results for its fiscal second quarter. The Ichimoku has moved positive and price looks to have broken up out of a consolidation. I hope you enjoyed the snapshot. If you did, click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me today and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.